Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Microsoft Windows Defender Windows security not working in Windows 11, 10 fixed. First method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps. Type Windows Security. Click Advanced Options. Click Repair, if same error still exists click Reset. Second method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Make sure Windows Security Service is started. Third method is type Regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software, click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows Defender. Create new DWORD 32-bit value change to disable anti-spyware, change value data to 0. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scanno. Type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Fifth method is click Start, Settings. Click Recovery, click Reset PC. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.